In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting ACCDB files to CSV format using the 4n6-access file converter. To install the 4n6-access file converter, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides users with the option to choose from multiple categories of database files including SQLite, Access, Paradox, DBF, and others. Go to the Access option. Here users will see both ACCDB and MDB options. They can select either one as per their requirement, and then click on the Choose Files button. Select the ACCDB files and then click the Open button. A panel showing the selected ACCDB files will appear on the left. Click on any of the files to preview its contents. Click on a table to view the data. Our tool provides users with two preview options, including Data and Hex View. This tool only displays relevant information in the Data section of the preview. Tool provides users with search option to search for data within the selected folder. Click on the Export option to convert ACCDB files into CSV format. Select the location where the exported files will be saved. Users can see other export options, such as delete old folders, open folder after export is done. Select Tables to export. This option allows users to select tables they want to export. After configuring all the settings, click on the Save button, and the export will begin. Click on Open Folder button to access the exported files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.